I was looking for a heavy duty litter scoop, and this one by SunGrow is really nice. I love that it is ergonomically shaped. The scoop portion is about as big as my outstretched hand. It has a nice, comfortable handle that has a rubber grip on it. And with the size and durability of this scoop, you can scoop a lot at once. And this litter scoop also shakes away the loose litter very easily while retaining the waste so that you can get the job done faster. I also like that the metal of this scoop does not warp or anything like that, so you can get to the bottom and scrape the bottom of the litter box without any issues to get it nice and clean. And the metal part of the scoop is easy to clean as well. You can use soap and water or Clorox wipe, what have you, and dry it off, and it'll be ready for you for next time. So if you're looking for a heavy duty scoop that gets the job done, I recommend this one.